guys, this is Vijay and I hope you're doing well. In this video lecture, we will discuss on multiple choice questions of basic thermodynamic which is generally asked in all types of mechanical competitive exam. Let us start with question number 1. The value of 1 mm of Hg is equal to option A 1.333 Newton per meter square, option B 13.33 Newton per meter square, option C 133.3 Newton per meter square, and option D 1333 Newton per meter square. We know that the standard value of 1 mm of Hg equal to 133.3 Newton per meter square. So the right answer is option C, and here Hg means mercury. Question number 2. The heat and mechanical energy are mutually convertible. This statement was established by option A Boyle, option B Charles, option C Joule, option D none of these. We know that Joule conducted a series of experiments which shows that the relationship between heat and work in thermodynamic cycle for a system, and he used a pedal to stir an insulated vessel with the fluid. The amount of work done on the pedal was noted, and the work was done by lowering the weight. So the work done equal to mgz. Okay, so we can say that the heat and mechanical energy both are mutually convertible, and this statement was established by Joule. So the right answer is option C. Question number 3. The reading of the pressure gauge fitted on pressure vessel is 26 bar. The atmospheric pressure is 1.03 bar, and the value of G equal to 9.81 meter per second square. The absolute pressure in the vessel is option A 35.81 bar, option B 26 bar, option C 27.03 bar, and option D none of these. Okay, we know that the absolute pressure equal to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. Okay, so here the gauge pressure is given 26 bar, and the atmospheric pressure is 1.03 bar. So the summation of 26 plus 1.03 equal to 27.03 bar. So the right answer is option C. Question number 4. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. The heat and work are boundary phenomena. Option B. The heat and work represent the energy crossing the boundary of the system. Option C. The heat and work are path function. And option D, all of the above. Here the right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 5. When two bodies are in thermal equilibrium with a third body, they are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. This statement is called option A first law of thermodynamics, option B second law of thermodynamics, option C zeroth law of thermodynamics, and option D third law of thermodynamics. We know that according to the zeroth law of thermodynamics, if two bodies are in thermal equilibrium with a third body, so they all are thermal equilibrium with each other. So this statement is given by zeroth law of thermodynamics. So the right answer is option C. Question number 6. First law of thermodynamics deals with option A conservation of mass, option B conservation of energy, option C conservation of momentum, option D conservation of heat. So the right answer is conservation of energy, and we know that according to the statement of first law of thermodynamics, we cannot generate the energy and we cannot destroy the energy, but whatever the energy available in nature, they all are convertible with each other. If you want to clear your fundamental in detail, then you can watch my video on first law of thermodynamics in my playlist. Question number 7. According to the first law of thermodynamics, option A total internal energy of the system during a process remains constant. Option B total energy of a system remains constant. Option C work done by a system is equal to the heat transfer by the system. Option D internal energy enthalpy and entropy during a process remains constant. We have already discussed, according to the first law of thermodynamics, we cannot generate the energy and we cannot destroy the energy. But whatever the energy available in nature, they all are convertible with each other, means the total energy of a system remains constant. So here the right answer is option B. Total energy of a system remains constant. Question number 8. Kelvin Planck's law deals with option A. Conservation of heat, option B. Conservation of work, option C. Conservation of work into heat, and option D. Conservation of heat into work. So we know that according to the Kelvin Planck statement, it is impossible to construct an engine or device which produces 100% efficiency. Means the total heat is not converted into work. So it is related with the conservation of heat into work. Okay, so the right answer is option D. Conservation of heat into work. Question number 9. The heat and work are mutually convertible. This statement is called dash. Option A. First law of thermodynamics. Option B. Second law of thermodynamics. Option C. Zeroth law of thermodynamics. Option D. Third law of thermodynamics. Okay, so here the right answer is option A. First law of thermodynamics. Question number 10. The measurement of thermodynamic property known as temperature based on option A. Zeroth law of thermodynamics, option B. First law of thermodynamics, option C. Second law of thermodynamics, option D. None of these. According to the zeroth law of thermodynamics, if two bodies are thermal equilibrium with a third body, so they all are thermal equilibrium with each other, and it will represent the temperature. So here the right answer is option A. Zeroth law of thermodynamics.